Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Halloween Dollar Tree DIY for you. So what I want to do is like an insect taxidermy, something creepy for Halloween, using one of the Dollar Tree black canvases and the 8x10. Now I want to cover it in insects. I picked up some of these, I think at Dollar General by the looks of that tag for $1, but they also have these at the Dollar Tree too. You might just have to visit the toy aisle. I wanted to do like 6 that would fit on there. It looked like the mantises were a little large, and they are very colorful at this point, but we're going to take care of that. We're going to spray paint them. I have some just metallic gold spray paint, and I thought it would look really cool to have everything be like black and gold for this DIY. And so I just go ahead and spray the top of them. No more colorful bugs. And I've noticed that they also have insects in the Dollar Tree. The little packages actually say reptiles for some reason, but I was able to find some other creepy bugs for another DIY that I recently did too. But I thought these would be really fun and look kind of high-end, painted in metallic gold color. Now for the frame, I just picked up a Dollar Tree wood frame. And I am just going to pop out the back. You can fit the 8x10 canvases in here. It's kind of up to you whether you take the staples out or not. I find that they kind of interfere a little bit. So I just go ahead and pull mine out with a pair of pliers and try this on for size to make sure it'll fit. It looks good. So I add just a little bit of hot glue along the inside of the frame and glue the canvas in place. Now, I wanted it to all be kind of black and creepy. I do like this wood frame being wood, but I wanted it to look black. So what I'm doing is just using some black acrylic paint, and I'm kind of distressing it. Since that wood from the Dollar Tree is kind of sealed already, as you can see, it's not like completely covering or soaking into the wood. It kind of gives it a distressed look when you go over it with just one coat where the wood kind of shines through a little bit. And I like that look. I think it looks kind of creepy and distressed for Halloween. So I just went around all of the sides of the frame with that and just kind of touch it up where I think it needs it. For this little part of the frame that kind of sticks up around the canvas, I just use a gold paint pen to kind of give me a metallic look. It's not the same exact shade of gold as my bugs, but that's okay. I think it looks good with the black and the gold color scheme. Now it's just time to attach my insects for my little taxidermy display. I think bugs are super creepy, so I think they're perfect for Halloween. So I just use a little bit of hot glue and I attached them all. I thought they looked best like all pointing up, like you would do like a museum display on most of these. And my son already stole this DIY to display in his college dorm for Halloween. He thinks it is really cool. If you want to be able to stand it up or hang it up, you can still use the back of the frame. Just use a little bit of hot glue and attach that to the back of the canvas, and then you can stand it up on its own like this. If you'd like more fun, creative Halloween Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting!